Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, I'm coming to explain to you what happens to your body when you take honey and pineapple before a date. Today, I'm going to give you a secret. The secret is about why we always see some ladies who are going to visit their boyfriends or husbands or fiancés taking pineapple and honey. These are often the ladies we see that their men buy them expensive houses, expensive cars, buy them expensive iPhones, expensive wigs, and whatever they ask. And then sometimes people even start thinking that these ladies are using juju or they have cast love spell on their men or they are using black magic. But I'm here to give you the secret. In fact, women who know this particular secret recipe will never visit their men without using it. No, they will never do that. They always do because they know what it does for them. But for this one, I first heard it from an old woman who said that her grandmother was a nutritionist. And then she gave them that particular recipe. And then it is helping them. It is making men to be very crazy about women in their family. And then when you even go to their hometown and then their community, a lot of men who have married from their family just come to do properties for them just because they are just crazy about the women in their family. And then it is such that it is helping them a lot. So she was there sharing it with me. So the issue is about the pineapple and honey, as I've said. You see, pineapple is such that it is very, very, very sweet. Then also it has a very sweet smelling fragrance. And then it also boosts your energy. And then it also makes the woman, your engine to be very, 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 very sweet, and it gives you a very nice scent down there. About engine, I hope you understand what I mean. Your engine, it makes it very, very, very nice. It gives you a very nice scent. And then it also makes it attractive. And then it gives you energy. So you see that the work when you visit your man, then there is going to be some sort of engagement. I hope you understand. If there be is going to be something like that, you need energy to show your skills. If he says do this skill, you show the skill, and then you see that the man will be crazy about you, like what is happening to other women, and then the man will also be doing whatever you want for you. Hmm. So let's talk about the honey too. The honey is also such that it is very, very sweet. So if you take the honey and then the pineapple, you see that this combination, whilst the pineapple is giving you a lot of energy and then sweet smell down there, then it is also sweet. You know that pineapple is also sweet. The honey will also add to the sweetness. So you, the woman, will be very sweet, and then you'll be very energetic to do all the skills and stuff for the man. And then you see that he will even sign a check for you. He will go and sell his family property and bring you the money. You see that this works very, very, very well. But please, I'm not saying that go and let your man sell his property for you. Please, this is just going to help you to build your relationship. You see that your man will be crazy about you. Then it is going to help you to be very happy. So your man will always be thinking about making you happy in your relationship, and then he's always going to ensure that you are well loved, and then whatever you want is given to you. So that is why I've done this particular video. So for this one, you can do it in two ways. You can decide to take the pineapple alone, or you can decide to take the it together. So you can decide to take the pineapple and then the honey together. Like, you can decide to blend them. So if you want to take them separately, all that you are going to do is that just take a slice of pineapple and then you eat. And then after about some minutes, you now lick about 2 tablespoons of pure honey. And then it is going to help you. It is going to work the way I've explained. And then also, if you take the slice of the pineapple, you can also add 2 tablespoons of the honey to it. And then you put it inside a blender, you add some water to it, then you blend it together. Then you drink 2 hours before visiting. You see that when you go, it is going to work very, very, very well for you. Then you bring your testimony. So this is a very simple but effective remedy that you can do to ensure that it is going to also benefit you like it is benefiting others. So thank you very much for watching. If you have also tried this before, you can put it in the comment section. If you also need a particular remedy, or if you need some clarification, or you have some suggestions or whatever, you can just put it in the comments. So kindly ensure that you also share, and then you subscribe to the channel, and then press the notification bell for more remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.